Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Owlet error code OC20. So here's a fix for your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router settings and repair. Fix 1. Check your Wi-Fi security. Log into your router settings. Verify that your Wi-Fi is using a supported security mode such as WPA2 Personal AES. If your router is set to WPA3 only, switch to WPA2 or WPA2 or WPA3 mixed mode. Then try connecting again. Fix 2. Connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Make sure your router has a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network enabled. Connect your phone to the same 2.4 GHz network. Try setting up the OLED device again. Fix 3. Restart your devices. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug the OLED device for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Restart your phone and try the setup again. Fix 4. Verify your Wi-Fi name and password. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully. Avoid using special characters in the network name like SSID or password. If you continue to have connection issues, some users have reported this resolve setup problems. Fix 5. Move closer to the router. During setup, place the OLED device within a few feet, that's 1 to 3 meters, of the router to ensure a strong Wi-Fi signal. Fix 6. Reset the OLED device. Press and hold the reset button on the device for about 15 seconds until you hear the reset tones or see the LED flash. Wait for the device to restart. Open the OLED app and complete the setup again. Fix 7. Update the OLED app. Install the latest version of the OLED Dream app from your device app store. Then retry the setup. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.